What's going on, guys? Nick back here with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a planche EMOM. So I'm not going to make this super difficult. This is more of my rehab day. You guys have seen me do EMOMs a bunch of different ways. I've done them with pull-ups, I've done them with push-ups. I usually do them with basic workouts like pull-up, push-ups, or dips. However, today I'm going to be doing it with planche, so you can see the difference between your basic EMOM versus your more advanced skill-based EMOM, right? So I'm going to be doing it just with basic planche movements like my tuck planche and probably planche leans. Like I said, this is more of my basic day. For the entire week, I train a lot harder and I do harder progressions like straddle planches, full planches, and whatnot. So I always like to take it back a step towards the end of the week, just do the basics and make sure I master those fundamentals. We all know the bigger your base, the higher you can build. So despite doing harder progressions throughout the week, I always go back to my roots, to my basics, to make sure my form stays really, really good, because we all know we sacrifice form when we do harder progressions. So we need to still do the beginner progressions even though we're up to the harder progressions and can do those as well. So like I said, this is gonna be a 10-minute EMOM. The first 5 minutes, I'm gonna be doing tuck planches, really hollowing out my back. And for the second 5 minutes, I'm gonna be doing planche leans. I'm gonna be doing those for 10 seconds, leaving myself with 50 seconds of rest on every set. Let's run it. All right, so now that I'm nice and warmed up, I'm ready to go. I'm gonna start the clock. We do 10 seconds here on every set. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Just really feeling my form here more than anything. That's why I'm doing a basic day. I want to get the eye of my elbows forward, feel it in my wrist, feel that hollowness in my back. All right, so I tried to switch up my grip there to get the eye of the elbow forward. It's very hard to hold it like that. I'm not sure how anyone does it really, but it's good to switch up your grips and just trick your body. So now I'm gonna be switching to planche leans, right? I'm just gonna lean. I will switch around, play around with my hand placement. But like I said, really just focusing on the form. All right, so that was it. As you can tell, not the most exciting thing in the world. However, it's effective, it works, that's why I do it. It's a beautiful part about EMOMs. You're putting your body in the same position for over 10 times in a row. Your body's gonna get really used to how it feels in that position. It's gonna build that muscle memory up, and you get confident and comfortable with it. That is the key to the EMOMs. Like I said, not the most exciting thing in the world, but it works. So please give this a try if you haven't already. EMOMs could be used in hundreds of different ways. I love doing it this way specifically. It will definitely help you learn those advanced skills along with getting better at your basic skills. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Check me out on all other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at core_calisthenics. check out my website, corecalisthenics.com. I have every single workout I know on there with me explaining the right way to perform it in under 1 to 2 minutes. And stay tuned for my videos every single Saturday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern time. I'll see you guys in the next video.